Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can do screen recording in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, go to Google Play Store and search with the term screen recorder. As inbuilt screen recorder is not given in this tablet, you got to use external screen recorder. Click on this result and click on install. So this will be very useful app for for recording screen in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. It's downloading, just wait. Installing, just wait. And after installing, click on open and click on continue. Click on continue. Give the permission here. Again open the app. And now give all permission. Click allow. Click on got it. And start recording screen. Click here for starting screen recording. Give all permissions. Click on start now. And within 3 seconds screen recording will be started. Yes, it has been started and a timer is going on here. So whatever you go in your tablet screen, that will be recorded in an order. Here I go to Google Chrome and I take a screenshot. So all this will be recorded in an order. To stop the screen recording, click here again and click over it. You can pause or you can stop completely. Okay, screen recording is stopped and it's creating video. Just wait. This is the recorder file and play the file now. But every time ad is showing. This is the recorder file along with the sound it was recorded. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.